Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you zoom in using Capcut app. Now just go to Capcut app. Here you can see new project option, click on it. Click on a video that you want to zoom in. Click on the bottom right add option. Now click on the video just like this and swipe it to the place where you need to zoom in. Now click on the diamond shaped plus button in the right side of the pause button. You need to swipe the video like this, and near the diamond shaped button again another diamond shaped button, and you need to zoom the video with your two fingers like this. Now swipe the video another place where you need to zoom in, a diamond shaped button and another diamond shaped button. With your two fingers zoom in. Now swipe it again. Now the video is ready to export. Click on the top right export button. So guys, this is how can you zoom in using Capcut app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.